even as I speak this, my very speaking of this is creating an infinite number of universes, and in one, and in many of them, this is exactly possible.
Deep beneath the Swiss-French border lies the world's most powerful particle accelerator, the Large Hadron Collider at CERN. With its complex web of tunnels and mind-boggling experiments, it's easy to be overwhelmed by the grandeur of the work being done there. Science has just scratched the surface of reality, and nature's discoveries are far more stunning than anybody could have predicted. There is proof of free energy, unified field of consciousness, superhuman ability, parallel reality, and much more. But what if there was proof of a hidden reality, one that defies our current understanding of the laws of physics? What if a child prodigy had discovered a secret about one of the world's most powerful scientific instruments and how it was being used to create a doorway to another realm? Join us on a journey into the unknown as we explore the incredible theories proposed by the world's smartest child genius and delve into the mysterious workings of the Large Hadron Collider. CERN is one of the most fascinating scientific institutions in the world. At its heart lies the Large Hadron Collider, a colossal machine that smashes subatomic particles together at unimaginable speeds. The aim? To unlock the secrets of the universe and answer some of the most fundamental questions about our existence. But there are some who believe that CERN's experiments go far beyond the realm of science, and that there's something much more sinister at play. Conspiracy theories abound, from claims that the Large Hadron Collider is being used to open portals to other dimensions, to suggestions that it could even trigger the end of the world. While these ideas may seem far-fetched, it's hard to ignore the fact that CERN's experiments have already pushed the boundaries of what we thought was possible, leaving us to wonder what else are they capable of uncovering, and what could be the consequences. To answer these questions, let us introduce you to one of the brightest kids out there. When we think of wise mentors and sources of guidance, we usually turn to adults with years of experience and knowledge. But what if the key to unlocking life's mysteries lies in the minds of children? After all, some of the greatest minds in history have been shaped at a young age. From Malala Yousafzai, the Pakistani activist who championed girls' education, to Elizabeth Nance, the 21-year-old researcher who created groundbreaking nanoparticles. Brilliance knows no age limit. And then there's Max Laughlin, a child prodigy whose intellect and ideas have captured the world's attention. Max Laughlin's stunning insights into the mysteries of the universe have captured the attention of experts worldwide. The brilliant young prodigy first caught the world's eye with his captivating ideas about how the universe operates and how humans adapt to each new discovery. However, his latest beliefs are more than just intriguing. They are warning signs. In a series of videos, Max elaborated on his claims and the alleged portal that CERN researchers had opened. And if you think that's impressive, Max is also an inventor. He created a free energy machine when he was only 13 years old. He explained how this technology could revolutionize the way humans live all over the globe. Since then, Max has been well known for his astute observations of mind-boggling events in our universe, including topics that concern our reality and the parallel universe. His hypotheses about the world include the worrying notion that CERN experiments could shatter the very fabric of our existence, transporting us to a parallel reality that is eerily similar to ours. This idea is not new. European Organisation for Nuclear Research scientists have undertaken similar experiments in the past using the Large Hadron Collider, a machine that splits up subatomic particles and simulates the Big Bang. He argues that the experiments conducted by the Large Hadron Collider may have ruptured the universe, causing humanity to exist in a parallel reality. Max, a brilliant young mind, believed that our universe is just one of an endless number of parallel universes in the multiverse. According to him, in each reality we are thrown into an infinite number of parallel universes, constantly switching from one to another. We had an original timeline, but immediately the anomaly occurred during the experiment, we were infinitely catapulted into an infinite number of parallel universes, Max said. This idea suggests that reality is not what we think it is, and that the European Organisation for Nuclear Research may have noticed this abnormality in the space-time continuum and went on to modify the classic events after discovering the anomaly. Max related this idea of opening portals at CERN to his theory of the Mandela effect, claiming that it implies the existence of other universes adjacent to ours. Max Laughlin argues that the particle accelerator not only shattered our reality, but transported us to a new one. The device responsible for this world-altering event is none other than the Large Hadron Collider built by the European Organization for Nuclear Research. The world's most powerful particle accelerator resides within a 17-mile tunnel housing the enormous electron-positron collider. Situated roughly 165 to 575 feet beneath the French and Swiss borders, the circular tunnel is designed to smash two particle beams and observe the resulting effects. This collision produces atoms, molecules, and physics outcomes that scientists then study. When asked about the infamous Mandela effect, Max Laughlin confidently stated that he believes it's a real phenomenon. This phenomenon refers to a collective false memory shared by a large group of people about a significant event that never happened. Fiona Broome, a paranormal researcher, coined the term after discovering that many people at a conference she attended had the same memory of Nelson Mandela dying in prison during the 1980s, even though he was released in 1990 and was still alive at the time of the conference. Quantum theory enthusiasts argue that the Mandela effect is evidence of the multiverse's existence, where parallel realities coexist and merge with our timeline. On the other hand, confabulation, the unintentional distortion of memory, could explain the effect from a psychological standpoint, similar to déjà vu. Confabulated memories can be as vivid and detailed as real events, and they are not intended to deceive. Max Laughlin's theory on the Mandela effect suggests that these discrepancies in memory can be explained by the existence of parallel universes. It's a fascinating idea that resonates with many people who have experienced similar situations. People commonly experience the Mandela effect in various situations, such as clients who recall promised deliverables or requirements that the vendor did not actually agree to, or employees who complete assignments that differ from what they were originally asked to do due to faulty memory. There are also specific examples of the Mandela effect, such as the popular quote from Snow White that people typically remember as "mirror, mirror on the wall," but is actually "magic mirror on the wall." Similarly, the Star Wars movies also have a well-known instance of the Mandela effect with the quote, "Luke, I am your father," which is often misquoted as the more popular version, "No, I am your father." Max Laughlin's theory is not the only controversial topic surrounding the Large Hadron Collider. Since the days of Bill Clinton's presidency, the particle accelerator has also been deemed a potential doomsday machine. Back when it was still in the design phase, many experts warned that the Large Hadron Collider could create a black hole that would swallow up the planet. These fears even prompted Nobel Peace Prize winner Francesco Calligero to publish an article in 2000 entitled "Might a Laboratory Experiment Destroy Planet Earth?", which sparked years of heated debates on the matter. This issue gained even more public attention after appearing on The Daily Show with John Oliver in 2009. During the show, a physics professor suggested that the experiment had a 50-50 chance of producing a powerful black hole that could destroy Earth. However, after speaking with experts at CERN who were working on the project, John Oliver clarified that the Large Hadron Collider was not intended to be a doomsday device, but rather a tool for scientific exploration. Despite these reassurances, the debate over the collider's potential for disaster continues to this day. Scientists utilize the Large Hadron Collider to validate the predictions of the Standard Model in particle physics, which is capable of explaining almost all phenomena in this field, but not all. Since its inauguration in 2008, the collider has conducted two prosperous runs, spanning from 2010 to 2013 and 2015 to 2018 respectively, and a third run currently underway. Each of these runs has contributed to groundbreaking discoveries, world records, and feats. Nevertheless, scientists still have not unraveled the mysteries of dark matter, which is an invisible substance that holds galaxies and clusters together. Despite its gravitational force being detected, scientists are yet to comprehend what it is, making it one of the most fascinating enigmas of science. The Large Hadron Collider was built to seek answers to this cosmic mystery, but so far, besides the discovery of Higgs and neutrinos, the collider has not led to any major breakthroughs. Scientists had hoped to discover at least one particle that could explain the elusive nature of dark matter, but no such discovery was made. However, after undergoing 3 years of maintenance and upgrades, the Large Hadron Collider reopened in 2022 and successfully discovered the mysterious X-particles. These particles were identified among billions of others in the quark-gluon plasma of the collider and are believed to have formed in the universe's earliest moments after the Big Bang. The discovery of the X-particles raises intriguing questions about the interaction of elementary particles and their formation. Scientists at CERN hope that the Large Hadron Collider will ultimately shed light on the mystery of dark matter, which makes up most of the known universe but cannot be directly observed. The LHC is set to continue operating until 2025, with the hope of further discoveries before it undergoes another period of modifications and new installations. Now let's hear your thoughts about CERN and Max's views in the comments below.